And hello, good timers. We are at the Hilton Grand Vacations Club at the Flamingo. We are actually right behind the Flamingo Resort and Casino, right across the pool area. And this is, once again, Hilton Grand Vacations Club. This is a one-bedroom suite on the second floor. We got here late last night, so we were unable to get a higher floor, but the suites are newly remodeled just a couple of years ago, so we're going to show you around and let you take a look at it. Over here, we got a little small bar area. You can stare at a semi-ugly picture on the wall. And you got a full kitchen over here with another bar area. Little mini oven, microwave, and a huge refrigerator and freezer, which everybody loves that. So all kinds of rooms if you want to get groceries and do your own cooking, or if you just want to let somebody else do the cooking and enjoy the leftovers. Plenty of room for all that stuff. Nice flat top range over here, along with a actual brew station coffee maker, coffee pot, lots of knives, lots of snacks for us. Comes fully equipped with dishes, a toaster under here, all your pots and pans. So you get the hint. Nice big HD TV as well. I'd like to have that one for our own house. And not much of a view here from the second floor, guys. Cut down some trees, you'd be able to see the Flamingo, but right now you just got lots of leaves. So that's the kitchen and living room area. And the bedroom is in here. It's going to be a little bit messy. We moved in last night, so we're still in the process of getting unpacked, but on the wall over here, you got another smaller HD TV. Nice big bed, which was very comfortable, actually. What did you think, Simone? Was it very comfortable?
Yeah, my back doesn't hurt this morning.
There you go. Her back doesn't hurt. Her head does because she's tired, but these chairs right here, not the most comfortable in the world, but the bed, very nice. And then here you get a nice large hot tub. Haven't tried that out yet. Probably won't. Jacuzzi tub?
Actually, there's no bubbly things.
No.
Just a tub.
It's just a big tub.
Just a big tub.
So if you want to get naked, they can see you right from the bedroom. And we actually have two sinks in here. We got one here to get ready, so that way you don't bother anybody if you're in the shower. And over here, right outside the bathroom, is the other sink, so you can wash your hands after taking your whatever. And one thing I don't really care for here is the bathroom, guys. It is extremely small. There's your toilet, obviously, but your shower is really small, especially for Vegas standards, but it is a nice shower. It's just, yeah, can't fit two people, and sometimes you just want to have company when you're in the shower, right, Simone? Okay. We'll take that as a yes. So there you go, guys. Hilton Grand Vacations Club at the Flamingo. One bedroom mini suite.